Underlayment is an important component of a metal roofing system. In this video, we will cover what tools you'll need, preparing your roof, proper layout of your underlayment, fastening your underlayment, and how to properly overlap your underlayment. It is important to follow the instructions for the brand of underlayment you select. In this video, we will go over the basics of installing Sharkskin Ultra underlayment. For this install, you will need a roofing hammer, utility knife, safety gloves, and electro-galvanized roofing nails. Preparation. Before installation, make sure your roof is clear of dust, debris, and any protruding nails or staples. Measure your roof to ensure you have enough underlayment coverage. Layout. Beginning with the lowest section of the roof, roll underlayment horizontal to the fascia. The underlayment should be installed on any part of the fascia board that will be covered with metal eave or gable flashing. If the fascia board is larger than the trim that will be used, only cover fascia board up to the trim width. Fastening. Use electro-galvanized roofing nails, also known as EG nails. Begin securing the underlayment. Start with the top section of underlayment every 2 feet along the guidelines as shown. Next, secure the underlayment along the fascia with nails that are 12 inches apart. Any corners should be folded as shown and fastened with an EG nail. Continue nailing underlayment every 12 inches along the fascia board. Nails should be placed along the center every 2 feet in staggered patterns as shown. Underlayment should be placed in an overlapping fashion. The second piece should lay on top of the first strip by lining up the edge with the guideline as shown. Sharkskin can be installed with the logo running up or down. Overlap should run with the flow of water. EG nails should be placed along the seam every 2 feet along the guideline. Secure underlayment along the fascia board. And cut off any excess material with a utility knife. Looking for more videos? Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. For more information, visit westernstatesmetalroofing.com.